In this video, I'm going to show you how to split a bill with a friend inside Splitwise. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is open up Splitwise, and then we'll be greeted to groups or friends. So from here, click onto friends. So now I've got a friend here, Luke. So now if I want to split a bill with Luke, I'm going to click onto his name. And then at the bottom of the page, it says add expense. So go ahead and click on add expense. And for example, say if we went out to dinner or lunch and we got, say, a meal that's cost, say, $100, we're going to put in $100 here, like so. And then we're going to enter the description. So just say lunch. You can give it more info if you like. Then from here, it will say paid by you and split equally. So if it's paid by you, so I'm going to click on paid by you. And because I paid for the bill, so Luke owes me $50, which is half of the bill. So I'm going to click that one, like so. And then from here, we're going to click on the tick button on the top right hand corner of the page. Before we do that, we can put in like some images down below as well. But doing that, you need a Splitwise Pro subscription, so you can't, that's a paid behind a paywall. So if you got that, that's another good way. You can take a photo of the bill so it reminds that person, oh, okay, yes, we did go out for lunch. Then from here, yeah, click on the tick button on the top right hand corner. And then as it says here, Luke, my friend Luke, which is basically myself, just for this demonstration, on February the 5th, 2025, I paid for lunch. And I lent $50, so he owes me $50.